So Anadi Avidya, by Anadi Vidya, they have been baddha, conditioned so. And Anadi Vidya, Jogmaya, they will be liberated from this world. Here he is telling that what is the meaning of ansa, part. Part means like any flower. Oh, this is part. Then this whole is not whole.
Some less.
Some less. Now,
More less.
and now,
Nothing.
finish. In world, this world like this. But they are not. The part and parcel of Krishna not. Krishna as it is. Krishna as it is. But part and parcel comes. Mamai vanso jiva loke jivbhuta sanatan. Everywhere it has been. So he is telling, we should know how answer, how the part. Krishna is whole. He cannot be divided into parts. Never. Because no side, no up, down, his many part, his, in him, whole world cannot be part. So, like stone and like wood, we cannot cut him. And Jiva is not part like this. It is like one lamp, Indian lamp, not ball. Indian lamp.
Ghee lamp.
Huh?
Ghee lamp.
Ghee lamp. And it was burning, it was giving light. And from one light, hundreds of pradeep were lighted. Or, so this is like somewhat example, not fully. So, main lamp is giving light. Other lamps also giving light. There are some lamps which are equal to that,
Original one.
and some very small. According to small and bigger, they are giving light. But this Lakshan, symptom, is not accurate. There is nothing in world that we can give a quite example. Never. Another example. We have not seen Chintamani, but you should suppose there is Chintamani. What is the meaning Chintamani?
These are stone.
Money means jewel. It can give anything you like. So much gold, so much coin, so much this, that, everything. But you should also know that what will come out of that Chintamani, it will not be Chintamani. Not Chintamani. She will give gold as much as you want. But gold is not himself Chintamani. So all coming, but not like Krishna. So, Chintamani is giving gold, but Chintamani is there without any transformation or peace. in same way, Krishna is there. And that part and parcel, like two, Swansa and Vipinans. Here we are telling about Vipinans. So here are telling that one name, Swans, all qualities in Krishna, all are in Swans avatar, like Ram, Nrsimha and others. But not all Rash. Tattvata they are one. But by Ras Vichar, Krishna is avatari and all are avatar. And Vipinans, so he is telling about swans, one lamp to another lamp. Both are equal. Both are giving equal prakash. In what Shakti is there? Oh, all that Shakti, the Shakti of Prakash is in another lamps. So if you will take a light from one lamp and you should delight and keep it, but that pradeep will be what? Same as it was, no less. Similarly, so much swans has been taken. Purnamada, Purnamidam, Purnat Uchyate, Purnasya, Purnameva. Like so. Swansalakshan Purushavatar, Leelavatar, Ram in others. Purushavatar, first, second, third Vishnu. Vipinans, Chintamani haite, Khudra Swarna. For example of Chintamani, Chintamani is shame, and so much gold is coming. But gold has not that quality that Krishna has. Anu, some anu, something is there. If they are with Chintamani, no vikar, but if they will come out of Chintamani, they will be Vikrita. Vikrita means they will be transformed. So Jeev is Vipinans. Ekah, Shuddha, Swayam Jyotir, Nirguno, Gunashaya, Sarva, Sarvagva, Anabrita Sakshi, Niratma, Atma Man, Para. These are the qualities of Vastu, Parabrahma. But there is some difference. The difference is telling. Some say we are all God. No? And they give an example. Tat Tamasi, Sarvam Khaluidam Brahma, Prajnanam Brahma, and one more. Am Brahmasmi. But he is telling, why in Shruti it has been told. You should know that Shankaracharya was very tricky. He has come to fulfill the desire of Krishna. Krishna told him, and go and hide me. Why? Because all Asur are serving me, doing Archan Pujan, and they want to be himself very strong, like Hiranyakashipu, like Ravan. So you should go and tell them, Why you are so worshipping Krishna? Oh, you are himself Brahma. Sarvam khalu idam Brahma. We are all Brahma. So you should know that we are not Brahma. We are part and parcel and Nityadas. Krishna is one without second. In this Jeev is there or not? Jeev is here or not?
Yes.
But Paramatma is here or not? Yes. Paramatma is there. Without Paramatma, any Shakta cannot be. So, in this, Jivatma is there. Paramatma is also there. One taking the fruitive karmas and other witness one. He does not eat anything. So, he does not, he is not conditioned, but jiva or fruitive karma. O Nitya Suddha, Supreme Lord or Brahma, Nitya Suddha. Suddha means?
Eternally pure.
How pure? Pure? No Maya there. Very far away. There is Yog Maya. She is Vishuddha. So, Maya cannot attract him, but Jeev, very minute. At any time, she can attract. Krishna always Nirmal, Jyoti, Prakash. Prakash means light. And Jeev, Sarup Brahm. By Sarup Brahm, he can be Malin.
Contaminated by mistaken identity.
Yes. Tini Nirgun. Nirgun. What is the meaning of Nirgun? Nirgun? Yes.
Good without any material qualities, not influenced by the nature.
No. You Nirgun?
Nirguna means that he's free from the influence of the three gunas, sattva, rajas, tamas. He's above, transcendental.
More? More?
Tripir gunamaya bhava ebi saravam nidam jagat. Krishna said in Gita, I am always above the modes and this mode is below the modes.
Nirgun means not my gun, but all aprakit gun are there. Sagun, what means? All aprakit gun. So Nirgun and Sagun both are same. Krishna is Nirgun and Sagun both. But Jivas can come in this stage. Krishna is aprakit gunasya. All transcendental qualities are Krishna. Very beautiful. You should know that Krishna is here, but in form of Paramatma. Chaturbhuj, very small. But those who are doing bhajan of Krishna, actually, like Pivillu Mangal and others, oh, Krishna himself is there, like Brajendra. Those who are serving Vaikuntha, Dipati Narayan, in Chaturbhuj form. And others, like very small Paramatma Shakshi.